1934, MRSC, then called the Bureau of Governmental Research, was founded as a small office at the University of Washington, offering advice and guidance on issues of municipal governance to city officials who sent in their questions by mail. Over the subsequent 9 decades, the Municipal Research and Services Center underwent several iterations and name changes to become the organization it is today. As of its 90th anniversary, MRSC provides guidance to Washington City, County, and Special Purpose District governments through a Small Works roster program, webinars and trainings, blogs, a robust website, and yes, by answering questions directly from public officials and employees by phone or email. We invited 4 retired staffers and outgoing Executive Director Tracy Burrows to talk about their time with MRSC.
Mostly it was the camaraderie, working with really good people on fun projects, just always learning new things, answering questions on such a diverse range of topics. So I don't ever recall having a boring day at MRSC.
You were respected at all levels of government, from tiny little city to Seattle to all the different kinds of local governments, and then also the state government.
And that was another really nice thing about our office, was that if you were stuck on something, you could go and ask someone else. And there was just this body of knowledge.
MRSC has always helped local governments through significant events and legislation, including the Growth Management Act of 1990, the 2008 recession, the 2012 statewide legalization of cannabis, and the COVID-19 pandemic. The organization also expanded from serving only cities to also working with counties and many special purpose districts.
We started to serve counties during my tenure. When I started, it was strictly cities and towns. At the time I left, I think they were contributing about 15% of our budget.
Because when I started here, 85 to 90% of our funding came from one source, and that is Department of Commerce contract that we have with the state to serve cities and counties. And I think we had 1 or 2 contracts with special purpose districts, and now we have 6 or 7. So that's expanded.
Over the last decade, MRSC has rebranded, expanded human and technological capacity, and now offers local governments many new ways to receive information.
It's amazing that with the transition over the years, MRSC has reinvented itself and kept current, and that's what we needed to do.
Through good times and bad, it is the human connection that MRSC staff has built with the people of local government that powers the work.
At a time when there's lots of distrust of federal government, I look back with fondness at how hopefully we made it easier for residents in Washington to have faith in their local government officials.
We did good things that helped people do their jobs. It made us worthwhile. It made you go home at night and you would talk about some of the funny things that happened, the strange things, the difficult things, but you were helping out, and that's a darn good thing.
Since 1934, MRSC has always focused on determining what services and expertise can best support our customers, and this mission has driven the organization's development and staff retention. Tracy summarizes what has perhaps most contributed to MRSC's longevity.
I love the people who work here. They're so dedicated and they are committed to our mission. And most of the people who work at MRSC really value being able to help others. And they have kind of that servant leader attitude. And I really love being around people like that. We're all seeking to make the world a better place, and ourselves, we're seeking to improve ourselves.